If you want tutorial of this cute rabbit, link is in the following description. Hey there, crafty friends! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to make an adorable teddy bear using polymer clay. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our clay. We'll need brown, white, and black clay for our teddy bear. Let's condition the clay by kneading it until it's soft and pliable. Next, let's add the ears. We'll shape two small triangles from the brown clay and attach them to the top of the head. Now, let's create the body of our teddy bear. We'll shape the brown clay into a ball and then flatten it slightly to create the body shape. Next, let's add the arms and legs. We'll shape small cylinders from the brown clay and attach them to the body. Now, let's add the face. We'll shape small circles from the white clay for the eyes and attach them to the head. We'll also add a small black circle for the nose and a smile. Finally, let's add some final details to our teddy bear. We can add some texture to the fur and attach a small bow tie or ribbon around the neck. And that's it. Our cute teddy bear is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and can't wait to see your own creation. Second cute rabbit making from polymer clay. I'll hope you love it. And that's it. Our cute teddy bear is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and can't wait to see your own creations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crafty tutorials. If you want tutorial of this cute Pickachu, link is given in the following description. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel.